So, what's the difference between a certified training class and a workshop? And how do you decide which one is the right thing for you? A certified training class has got a fixed agenda, if you like, and a series of topics that we need to cover in order for you to gain good, broad, foundational understanding about the topic and be able to satisfy the certifying body that you've got the right base understanding. When it comes to the workshops, they are very, very specific and they are context based. In other words, you decide in your organization that, hey, it would be good for us to write better stories, because what we're seeing is that our teams start the stories and then pretty much straight away, either within hours or a day, they kind of say, well, I'm not quite sure what it is. Or they deliver the story and then when you get it, say, this is not what I asked for. Or it could be anything else. So the workshop then is highly targeted to say, look, this is the area we want to focus on. We have this challenge within our organization. We need you to help us and guide us to address this. And then we will design the workshop for you. Yes, we have a menu of workshops, but we have the tools to design workshops for any need, well, most of your needs, I should say, that you have as far as lean and agile working environment is concerned. So that's what the difference between the two is. Workshop is targeted at a particular challenge that you have. It's going to be done in your context, using your environment, your stories. And I'm just not talking about stories in agile sense. I'm talking about stories and narratives about your organization. What are the kind of things that people talk about? What are the things you want to have more of, less of? So that's what a workshop will do. Work with you, we co-create it, and we address the needs that you have within your organization. Interested? Reach out at hello@valueglide